we'll guide you through how to edit the DaVinci Resolve timeline. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom of the interface. This is where you'll do most of your timeline editing. You'll see a preview window on the top right, a media pool on the top left, and your timeline at the bottom. To start editing, simply drag and drop your media files from the media pool directly onto the timeline. When you want to trim a clip, hover over the edge of the clip until you see a white bracket appear. Then click and drag to adjust the clip's length. For more precise control, you can use the blade tool by pressing the B key. This lets you cut clips into smaller segments. If you want to move a clip, just click it to select, then drag and drop it to your desired position on the timeline. To add transitions between clips, go to the Effects library, find the Transitions section, and drag a transition onto the space between two clips. You'll see the transition icon appear on the timeline. For audio adjustments, click on the Audio tab in the Inspector panel, which you can open by clicking the Inspector button at the top right. Here, you can adjust volume levels, balance, and other audio settings. Remember, DaVinci Resolve auto-saves your project, but it's always a good idea to manually save often by pressing Ctrl+S. Once you're done editing, you can go to the Deliver page to export your project. Choose your desired export settings, and click Add to Render Queue. Then start the render. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.